This is the video guide about getting rid of the ransomware called Enmity. The video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to recover the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, the ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then it encrypts the files and damages them essentially. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware appends a special random 6-symbol extension to the file names, and this extension is always different. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this Enmity ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for that purpose. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button, and the program will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to actually remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. So you need to wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and then at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider premium license. You can request a trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner, as I said, does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this ransomware and will give you some possible recommendations on how to protect the files and to remove and to decrypt the files. And by the way, this is the ransom note, a special TXT file titled as Enmity Unlock Guide. Premium license is a much better solution. As I said, you can request trial to evaluate its features, and this way you will be able to remove the ransomware and to stop the malicious encryption process.